How does one swap two panes in Tmux? I have two panes in horizontal split. I'd like to have the pane currently on the right to be on the left in the window. I'm not talking about moving the focus, Ctrl plus BO. How do I achieve this? Left pane, dash, right pane.
The swap pane command can do this for you. The and keys are bound to swap pane U and swap pane D in the default configuration. So, to effect your desired change, you can probably use prefix when you are in the right pane, or prefix if you are in the left pane. The U and D refer to up and down in the pane index order. Up is the same direction that prefix O moves across panes. You can see the pane indices with display panes, prefix Q, by default.
You can hit Ctrl B and keep holding down Ctrl while hitting O. This will rotate all existing panes around, so in your case it will swap the only two existing panes. Ctrl B plus Alt O rotates the opposite way, useful when you have more than two panes.
The most precise control you can have is by using the command swap pane directly. This is not so difficult to do. Ctrl BQ shows you the ID for each pane in current window. Remember the two panes you want to swap. Let's say they're 3 and 5. Ctrl B column to activate the Tmux command line. Then issue command swap pane S3 T5 dot. Note that you have auto completion when typing commands. Also you can search for syntax of a command directly from Tmux man page. That's how I learned the syntax for swap pane.
To directly swap two panes, select the first pane with prefix M. The default for prefix is Ctrl B. Go to the second pane and type prefix, column swap pane.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.